Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to reset your password in Upwork. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already went to the website upwork.com, and right now I'm just gonna hit on this login button right here that you will find on the nav bar. Well, right now, as we do not remember our password and we want to reset it, what you need to do is simply enter your username or email address right here. I'm gonna enter it right now. And as you can see, I have already entered it. Now what you need to do is simply hit on continue. Now as we do not remember our password and want to regain access to our account, we simply need to click on this forgot password button right here. Once you're on this page, initially, it's gonna ask you to enter your username or email address right here. As you can see, I have already entered it, and once everything's okay, simply hit on send email. Let's simply go to our Gmail right now. Well, as you can see, I received an email like this, and right now here's something like update password. Click on the button right here. A new tab will open up asking you to enter your new password and simply confirm it. I'm gonna enter both of them. Once everything's okay, simply hit on update password. And guys, that's it. That's how you reset your password in Upwork. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.